If you're still writing without AI in 2025, you're working 10 times harder than you need to. I'm about to show you 5 AI tools that are literally transforming how top freelance writers work. And honestly, some of these will feel like cheating. But here's the thing. Your competition is already using them. In this video, I'm breaking down the 5 essential AI tools that every freelance writer needs to stay competitive in 2025. We're talking about tools that handle research, editing, content optimization, client management, and even help you land more gigs. These aren't just productivity boosters, they're career game changers. And the best part? Most of them have free versions you can start using today. Let's dive in. First up is Perplexity AI, and this tool has completely replaced my Google research sessions. Unlike ChatGPT, Perplexity pulls real-time information from the web and actually cites its sources, which is crucial when you're writing content that needs to be accurate and up-to-date. You can ask complex questions and get comprehensive answers with clickable citations in seconds. I use it for everything from industry statistics to competitive analysis to fact-checking claims. The Pro version even lets you choose which AI model answers your questions. But honestly, the free tier is powerful enough for most freelance writers. It's basically like having a research assistant that never sleeps and never gets tired of your questions. Grammarly has been around for years, but their 2025 AI upgrades make it absolutely essential. Beyond catching typos and grammar mistakes, the AI assistant now helps you adjust tone for different audiences, suggests stronger word choices, and even identifies when your writing is getting too wordy or complex. What I love most is the clarity score feature that shows you exactly how readable your content is. When you're writing for different clients with different style guides, Grammarly adapts and learns your preferences. The plagiarism checker is also clutch when you need to make sure your work is 100% original. Yes, there are free alternatives, but Grammarly's AI has been trained on so much data that it genuinely makes your writing better, not just correct. If you're juggling multiple clients and deadlines, Notion AI is your new best friend. It combines project management with AI-powered content creation in one workspace. You can create content calendars, store research, manage invoices, and even use the AI to brainstorm article ideas or create outlines based on your brief. What sets it apart is how it learns from your existing content and style. I have templates for different article types, and Notion AI helps me populate them faster. You can ask it to summarize your research notes, generate FAQs from your content, or even translate your work into different languages. The collaboration features also make it perfect for when you're working with editors or other writers on bigger projects. Here's the reality. Even the best written article won't help your client if nobody finds it on Google. That's where Surfer SEO comes in. This tool analyzes top-ranking content for your target keyword and gives you a data-driven roadmap for optimization. It tells you exactly how many times to use certain keywords, what headings to include, how long your article should be, and even suggests related terms you should incorporate. The content editor gives you a real-time score as you write, so you know if you're on track. I've seen articles I've optimized with Surfer rank on the first page within weeks. For freelance writers who want to offer SEO services or just deliver better results to clients, this tool is non-negotiable in 2025. The final tool is a bit different, but hear me out. Descript is primarily a video and podcast editor, but it's become essential for freelance writers who want to diversify their income. It uses AI to transcribe audio and video with scary good accuracy, which means you can turn interviews, webinars, or YouTube videos into written content in minutes. But it goes further. You can remove filler words from transcripts automatically, and the AI can even help you identify the best quotes and sound bites. I use it to offer content repurposing services to clients, turning their podcasts into blog posts or social media content. With everyone doing multimedia content now, being able to bridge video and written content makes you way more valuable as a freelance writer. If you found these tools helpful, smash that subscribe button because I drop new AI productivity videos every single week. Hit the like button if you're ready to level up your freelance writing game. And here's my question for you. Drop a comment and tell me which of these 5 tools you're most excited to try first, or if there's an AI tool you're already using that I didn't mention. Remember, the best tool is the one you actually use consistently. Start with one, master it, then add the next. You've got this. Now go write something amazing.